हेलो फ्रेंड्स, स्वागत है आपका ज्ञानी भैया यूट्यूब चैनल पे। आज हम चैप्टर 3 फर्स्ट फ्लाइट बुक का 2 स्टोरीज अबाउट फ्लाइंग, इसमें हिज फर्स्ट फ्लाइट ये जो टॉपिक है, इस टॉपिक का हम क्वेश्चन आंसर देखेंगे। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, वैलिडेट द गिवन स्टेटमेंट विद रेफरेंस टू बेबी सीगल्स। जो वो बर्ड थी छोटी वाली, उसके बारे में कहा, सीगल्स Fear does not exist anywhere else other than one's mind। ठीक है, अब आंसर देखते हैं। आंसर देखते हैं। The baby seagull could not fly as he was scared that his wings will not support his baby weight. He saw his family, even his younger brother and sister, had flown away. Yet the fear of falling down gripped his mind. The result was that he was scared to fly. ठीक, अब दूसरा क्वेश्चन देखते हैं। How did the young seagull react when he landed on the sea? Answer number 2. When the young seagull landed on the sea, his legs sank into it. He screamed with fright. He tried to rise again by flapping his wings, but being tired and being hungry, his feet sank into the water. His belly मतलब जो पेट होता है उसका बीच का पार्ट, belly touched the water, but यहाँ but दो बार हो गया, but he sank no further. He started floating on it. अब तीसरा क्वेश्चन देखते हैं। The sight of the food फिर से पढ़ते हैं। The sight of the food meant to him. What does this suggested? इसका आंसर करते हैं। क्वेश्चन ही है, पहले क्वेश्चन क्या था? The sight of the food meant to him. What does he suggested? And complained the young seagull to finally fly। ठीक है, अब इसका आंसर देखते हैं। The little seagull was afraid, ये देखिए, afraid to fly because the sight of sea filled him with fear. His hunger motivated him to fly। ठीक है, अब इसके आगे पढ़ते हैं। For past 24 hours he had not eaten anything. When his mother tempted with piece of bread होगा, piece of bread, इसे बाद में से करेंगे। piece of beak, he was maddened to eat the food. His hunger compelled him to dive मतलब उड़ने के लिए, ठीक है। To save himself he spared his wings and was able to fly। अब चौथा क्वेश्चन देखते हैं। Describe the young seagull emotions when he flew over the sea। अब आंसर देखते हैं। When the young seagull touched the green sea for the first time, he was frightened. He was unable to hear anything, and he tried to flap his wings to fly higher. Since he was too weak to fly, he found himself floating on the sea with his family। अब यहाँ पे खत्म हो जाता है, ठीक है। और ऐसी क्लास 10 की वीडियो के लिए हमें सब्सक्राइब कर लें।